Hello and welcome back to 5 Minute Travel Tips. I'm your host Neil Patil from Veena World. Today we have an essential topic on our hands, creating a packing checklist. So grab your notepads and get ready to become a packing pro. We've all been there, the frantic last minute packing, the nagging feeling that we've often forgotten something important. At least I'm always there when I get to an airport. But fear not, I have also tried to come up with a few tips because of which a well-organized packing checklist can save the day and make your travel preparations a breeze. So let's start. First, start by identifying the essentials. Now, these are items you absolutely need for your trip, such as travel documents like your passport or Aadhaar card, other identification that could be your driving license or international driving permit, money, and important medications. Make sure to have a dedicated section on your checklist for these crucial items, as they should be your top priority. Next, also consider the climate and activities of your destination. Will you be lounging on the beach, hiking through the mountains, or exploring the city streets? Tailor your checklist to include appropriate clothing, footwear, and accessories for the specific activities and weather conditions you'll encounter. Now, once that is done, let's talk about the art of organization. Now, categorize your checklist to cover different aspects of your trip, such as clothing, toiletries, electronics, and all of the other miscellaneous items. This helps ensure that you don't overlook anything and keep your packing process systematic. When it comes to clothing, aim for versatility and efficiency. Well, it's as simple as don't carry 10 pairs of sneakers or shoes. Select items that can be mixed and matched, allowing you to create multiple outfits with fewer pieces. Consider the duration of your trip and plan accordingly, keeping in mind the need for layering and versatile options. Don't forget your toiletries. Create a section on your checklist for items like toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, and any other personal care products you require. If you're traveling with a carry-on bag, remember to comply with the airline's restrictions on liquids and pack them in travel-sized containers. Electronics also play a significant role nowadays when it comes to our travels. So ensure that you have a checklist not only for your gadgets but also for the chargers that you're going to need to charge these gadgets. Also, don't forget the necessary adapters or converters for international travel. You don't want to end up on your travels with a charger that just refuses to go into the socket of that particular country. Now lastly, the miscellaneous section. Here's where you cover all of those small but important items that often slip our minds. Include things like travel adapters, travel locks, first aid kit, sometimes a travel pillow is also good, and any other travel accessories you might need. Remember, your packing checklist is a dynamic tool that can evolve with your travel experiences. After each trip, assess what worked well and what you could improve upon. At least I keep doing this, which means my travel checklist, whether it's for the beach, whether it's for the mountains, or whether it's just for bumming around cities that I travel to, my checklist keeps evolving each and every time. But this also means that my packing process becomes even more efficient. So that's it on 5 Minute Travel Tips today. If you have a packing checklist that you adhere to and you think you want to share it with our listeners, please write to us at Neil, Neil, @veenaworld.com. VEENAWORLD.com. We'd love to hear from you. And if our listeners can gain insight from your packing checklist, I'll cover it on the next episode of 5 Minute Travel Tips. Until next time, as we always say at Veena World, keep celebrating life. Thank you and have a good one. Bye-bye.